Good morning. Waiting on the sideline may have spared many of the investors the wild swings of recent days. The Greek storm continues to rattle the world markets. Risk appetite has stumbled and will take some time to recover. Public protests are mounting in Greece, stoking concerns whether it will be able to attain the proposed cuts in the budget deficit. Other members of PIGS like Spain and Portugal are staring at further downgrades. The idea of European Union as a unified bloc and euro as a common currency has taken a beating. Let's hope that the crisis subsides sooner than later. We expect some more concern at the start today. Things might stabilize later, especially if the global markets rebound. Global sentiments could improve if the US monthly jobs data turns out to be strong. As of now, taking a decisive call is best postponed, though one may dabble with few counters for long-term purpose. Technically, NSE Nifty has supported 5,000, though a break below 200 days DMA of 4,950 could potentially drag it down further. Resistance is seen at around 5,300. China's benchmark stock index continues to fall and hit at its lowest level in 7 months as investors fretted about government measures to cool the property market and a flood of new bank shares coming to the market. Markets in Japan and South Korea are down sharply this morning. Japanese markets have been closed for the past 3 to 4 days. Other Asian markets are relatively better off. The other news for the day is growth in non-food credit for the fortnight ending April 23rd stood higher at 17.5%. The annual ECB cap has been raised to $40 billion for financial year 2011 from $35 billion in financial year 2010. Government to ease stock holding limit for large sugar consumers from 20th May. Bharti Airtel has entered into a partnership with cloud computing service provider Novation to expand its broadband business in India. Maharashtra government's cabinet subcommittee to meet today to resolve the Tata Power Reliance Infra row over supplying electricity in Mumbai. Government to sell stake in 10 more PSUs this year, including IOC, MMTC, Coal India, SAIL, RINL and SCI. Shoppers Stop has lined up a capex of Rs 1.25 billion to open 12 stores in the current fiscal. Moving on to the recommendations, the derivative strategies are: short Tata Communications may future at Rs 267 to Rs 266 for a target price of Rs 255 and the stop loss is to be placed at Rs 273. And long HCL Tech may future at Rs 407 for a target price of Rs 416 and a stop loss is to be placed at Rs 401. The technical calls are on Indian Bank. Traders are recommended to buy the stock at current levels and up to levels of Rs 227 to Rs 233 for an initial target of Rs 245, and it is advisable to maintain a stop loss at Rs 222. And a buy on Patni Computers. Traders are recommended to buy the stock between the levels of Rs 606 to Rs 610 for a short-term target of Rs 625, and it is advisable to maintain a stop loss of Rs 598. Thank you and have a great day ahead.